Hi everyone! Today I am doing a sketch tutorial on how you can draw a pumpkin using basic shapes and lines. Watch for tips on how you can color a pumpkin in the second half of this video. If you want to slow down this video and draw along, simply click on the settings icon and change the play speed. Before you begin coloring your pumpkin, think of your light source and where the highlights will show when the light hits your pumpkin. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more drawing tutorials.